You trust your refrigerator to keep your food fresh, right? And your washing machine to get your clothes clean? Well, what if I told you they were hiding some seriously filthy, dirty secrets from you? I'm not talking about a few obvious crumbs or spills. I'm talking about hidden grimy spots that are strangling their efficiency and lining you up for a massive repair bill. Today, we're exposing 7 of these secrets, and I'll show you how a quick clean can make your appliances run like they're brand new. Before we dive in, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future cleaning secrets from the Big Sweep. Secret number 1. The washing machine gasket and filter. First up, let's talk about why your clean laundry might still smell a little funky. It's not your detergent. It's your washing machine's rubber door seal and its hidden filter. Mold, mildew, and old soap scum love to build up in the folds of that gasket, creating a permanent funk. And somewhere inside, there's a little trap catching lint, lost coins, and all kinds of gunk. Here's the fix. For the gasket, just grab a cloth, dip it in a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar, and wipe down all those folds. Use an old toothbrush for any stubborn spots. To find the filter, look for a small door on the bottom front of your machine. Secret number 2. The refrigerator condenser coils. Here's a secret that's literally costing you money every single month. On the back or bottom of your fridge are condenser coils, and their job is to release heat to keep the inside cool. Over time, they get completely caked in dust, pet hair, and grime. When they're suffocating in filth, the compressor has to work way harder and longer to cool your food, which torches its lifespan and jacks up your electricity bill. The fix is almost stupidly simple. First, unplug the fridge. Find the coils and use a coil cleaning brush or your vacuum's skinny hose attachment to gently suck up all that dust. Secret number 3. The dishwasher filter. Ever pull a clean dish out of the dishwasher only to find it has crusty little bits of someone else's dinner on it? Gross. Your dishwasher filter is almost certainly the culprit. There's a filter at the bottom of your dishwasher that's supposed to catch food particles. But if you never clean it, it just becomes a disgusting soup of old food that gets sprayed right back onto your dishes with every wash. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community, especially the mountain of lint behind your dryer or the grease slicked behind a stove. Once or twice a year, it's time to go on an expedition. Carefully pull your appliances away from the wall. You will be horrified and amazed at what you find. Vacuum everything: the floor, the wall, the back of the appliance. If you're dealing with greasy buildup, a good degreaser will cut right through it. Secret number 5. The refrigerator drip pan. You cleaned the coils, but your fridge has another nasty secret: the drip pan. This pan sits at the very bottom of your fridge, catching condensation from the defrost cycle. The problem is that stagnant water is the perfect breeding ground for slimy, disgusting mold and biofilm, which can cause a persistent, weird odor in your kitchen. Check your user manual to figure out how to remove the pan. Be warned, it's going to be gross, so carry it to the sink carefully. Secret number 6. The range hood filter. That metal mesh screen under your range hood? It's doing more than just catching a bit of steam. It's trapping airborne grease. Over time, that filter gets saturated with a sticky, highly flammable goo. A clogged filter can't vent smoke and odors properly, and worse, it's a serious fire risk dangling right above your stove. Thankfully, cleaning it is so satisfying. Just pop the filter out, lay it in your sink, spray it down with a powerful degreaser, and let it sit for a few minutes. Secret number 7. The water dispenser nozzle. Our last secret is tiny, but it's mighty gross. Get up close and personal with the little nozzle on your fridge's water and ice dispenser. This dark, damp little cave is a prime spot for mold and mildew to grow, literally at the exit point for your drinking water. The fix takes 10 seconds. Dip a Q-tip or a small brush in some white vinegar and just scrub the inside and outside of that nozzle. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which appliance was the dirtiest in your house. Mine was the fridge. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips and tricks from the Big Sweep.